Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Centers today to show you a fantastic trailer. This is the Coachmen Freedom Express. It's a 32-foot bunkhouse with multiple slides and it's a really well-built trailer. There's a lot of things to show you, but I want you to see it all too. So let's go quickly inside. Follow me. Now the problem with a lot of bunkhouse type trailers is they really don't have enough storage and kitchen and other facilities because the bunk beds take up so much room. This one is such a nice big trailer, it's got everything. Let's start with this little area here. Look at that, you've got a coat closet, a wardrobe space, a pantry, and this has opposing slides. So the main living area, the slides go out here and also over here in the kitchen. That gives us an island kitchen too, which is dynamite because that gives you a lot of workspace and lots of extra storage. We've got an oven and a microwave and these beautiful solid surface countertops. We've got a massive sink and a single handle faucet here. That's great. We've got the nice big refrigerator with the beautiful, one thing that you notice most trailers have that really dark walnut or dark cherry, mahogany interiors. They've got a beautiful light ash and it makes it look so much nicer inside. It's so much roomier. I really hope this trend of lighter colors catches on again. And then big pantries here. So, if you have a lot of people, you need a lot of food. So come on back here. So this is the rear bedroom, and this is a very versatile space. You can put a whole bunch of people in here, kids, adults. You could also use it for other things. You can make it into a workplace. You can make it to store your scuba gear, whatever you want. There's a shelf here. This can be folded up out of the way. There's a big set of mattresses that make a total of a queen bed. There's an overhead bed here. There's even a little rock wall for the kids to climb up when they want to go to bed. And one thing that's kind of cool, if you look right here, this TV system in the living area swivels around and points back into that bedroom so the kids can have the TV in the bedroom if they want, or if you want them to. Okay, we got a booth dinette. Take a look at these big drawers that come out here. It's tremendous storage. This table's a freestanding table, so when you get people that are a little bigger around, they can push the table around to make it easy to get in and out. We've got a sofa that folds out and makes a hide-a-bed. And then we've got a really nice bathroom with a fully enclosed shower, porcelain toilet, wonderful kitchen stand with, a bathroom stand with a mirrored medicine cabinet. And then take a look here in the back. We got a full-size queen walk-around bed. We've got all this beautiful storage here and lights and ventilating windows. This is a fantastic floor plan for a bunkhouse. Most bunkhouses are nowhere near as luxurious as this trailer is. Let's take a quick peek outside and see what it looks like. Now the first thing I want you to know about this, we'll see from the front. This trailer has a full fiberglass end cap. This end cap encloses everything in the front. It's gel coat fiberglass. It's like putting the hull of a boat on the end of your trailer. This is a big upgrade over most trailers that you look at. I can't say enough good things about it. As we go back, I want you to know that this sidewall construction is different too. Most laminated trailers have a little bit of wood underneath the fiberglass. It's an underlayment that helps bond things together. This one has a special material called Asdel. It's not wood, it's waterproof, it's not biodegradable. This trailer doesn't delaminate the way most fiberglass trailers can do over time. Now here's our extra slide out here. Notice that we've got alloy wheels and we've also got a wide track axle. The wheels are farther apart. That makes it tow better. It makes it more stable on the road. Hey, look at the size of this outside kitchen. It's absolutely fantastic. Got lots of storage. It's got storage for your silverware right here. It's got hot and cold running water. It's got a little gas grill you can use. It's got a refrigerator. You can have additional refrigeration if you've got electrical hookup. Let's keep going. Around the back side here, we got a great big ladder that goes up. This happens to be a fully walkable roof. That's really important that you go up there and be able to maintain your seals and also make sure there's no debris standing on top of your roof. Okay, let's go this direction. And you can see here we've got the big double slide. So this is the roomy side of the trailer where that rear bedroom is, and the main living space. It does have an outside shower, cable and satellite hookup, and then we have a really nice front storage area here. Look all the way across. It's even got an extra little picnic table hanging up there. Isn't that cool? They thought of everything. Also, I want to mention that this trailer, for all its glory, only weighs 8,000 pounds. So you could pull it with a lot of different rigs. Last thing I want to tell you, this has a new BAL stabilizing system. It's really, really cool because I can control all of the stabilizer jacks individually, and I can also do the tongue jack, all from this controller. Very, very convenient. I hope you like this beautiful Freedom Express we have here. It's a used 2018. It's going to be an excellent buy. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or you'd like to come by and take a look, my name's Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.